Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Motorola Moto G57 Power. So first of all, we're gonna check volume levels in these settings. So open up the settings app, now scroll down to sound and vibration. And here, you guys need to make sure that media volume and call volume is turned all the way to the right, so make sure that both of those settings are maxed out. Now, we do not care about the ring volume or other volumes. We want to focus on media volume because this is where your games, your music play and everything else. And for the calls, this is where you have your speaker or an earpiece working. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So, as you guys can see, here we have it at the bottom. We definitely want to make sure that it is cleaned out. If it's not, if it's stuck with, let's say, dust, debris, dirt, then maybe it's just blocked and it won't provide the sound it should. Now, after that, what you guys want to make sure is that Bluetooth is disabled. So go to connected devices in the settings, go to connection preferences, and here select Bluetooth. Here my Bluetooth is already turned off, but if your Bluetooth is turned on and you see it being a little bit of an aqua, make sure that it is gray, because that means our Bluetooth is disabled, and this way we ensure that audio is not rerouted anywhere else. So it's not rerouted to our headphones and everything else. This way we also rule out any connected devices, so it goes the same for the audio rerouting. But here, as you guys can see, if you have any devices paired, then you will basically disable Bluetooth for the time of testing. After that, if nothing's fixed or it's fixed, you can turn it back on. Next, what you guys want to do is restart your phone. So just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time, tap restart, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, what you guys want to do is enter your password if you have one, and as a last resort here, update your software. So let me quickly lower the brightness for you guys. Next, we're gonna go over into the settings. Here in the settings, we scroll down until we see system update. So it's right here, as you guys can see, it's not at the bottom. We're gonna click check for updates, make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection here. And as you guys can see, everything looks good for me. I am using the latest software, but if you are not using the latest software, then this is very bad because you used to have old glitches. And if you update to the newest software, you eliminate the chance of it being a glitch because you get rid of any old glitches that are fixed in the latest update. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.